Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Infinix has launched a new smartphone named the Infinix Hot 12 Play in Thailand. The smartphone features a 6000 mAh battery and is available in 4 color options. Here is all the information on the specifications, features, and pricing of the Hot 12 Play. The Hot 12 Play is priced at 3,999 Thai bahts, $116 in Thailand. It comes in 4 colors, such as Racing Black, Legend White, Origin Blue, and Lucky Green. The Hot 12 Play has a 6.82-inch IPS TFT panel that offers an HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. The screen also supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. The handset measures 170.47 x 776 by 8.32 mm and weighs around 195 grams. The Helio G35 chipset is present at the helm of the Hot 12 Play. The device offers 6 GB of RAM and up to 5 GB of extended RAM. It has 128 GB of built-in storage and a slot for a micro SD card that can hold even more storage. The rear side of the Hot 12 Play features a dual camera setup. It comprises a 13-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture, an AI lens, and a quad LED flash unit. The rear panel of the phone also features a fingerprint scanner. For selfies, it has an 8-megapixel camera on the front. The smartphone ships with the Android 12 OS, which is customized with the XOS 1.6 UI. It houses a 6000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. It offers other features such as dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram N, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The phone features a 6.82-inch HD Plus display with 720 x 1612 pixels resolution. Further, the display comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a 180 Hz touch sampling rate. It packs the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, which is paired with up to 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Further, the device offers up to 5 GB of extended RAM. The storage is expandable via a micro SD card. In addition, it includes a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner for security. The phone also has face recognition as well. For photos and videos, the phone comes with a dual rear camera setup. It has a 13-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture. The main sensor is coupled with an AI lens and a quad LED flash. For selfies and video calls, the device uses an 8-megapixel shooter. As for software, the handset runs Exynos 10.6 based on Android 12. There's also a 6000 mAh battery with 18W charging. The phone measures 170.47 x 776 by 8.32 mm and weighs around 195 grams. Besides, the phone supports dual SIM, 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, a GPS, Beidou, GLONASS on the connectivity front. Additionally, the phone has a USB-C port and a 3.5mm headphone. So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.